This is the Hello World Podcast.
Yeah.
What lessons do you have in mind during those times? And now looking back during those situations, what lessons could you pass on to others regarding tough failures?
Well,
In
like I
career,
said,
especially in career, no?
yeah, like I said, when Pure Foods uh, essentially they did not renew my contract after
Okay.
when it expired. Even if I took the team to the finals, we went to 4 or 5 finals in my 4 years there. We won 2 championships. I won 2 Coach of the Year awards. It was a great performance. Kung gagawin mo ng performance evaluation, glowing eh. But they decided, so I thought it was a foregone conclusion. They will renew me. To my surprise, they said, sorry, we decided not to renew your contract. But I said, okay lang, maraming kukuha sa akin because I was finest coaching ako nun, di ba? Sabi, okay lang, I'm going to prove them wrong, may kukuha naman sa akin. And sure enough, before wala pang 1 month, another team signed me. And in our first tournament, we took them to their best ever record, their first finish, their first trophy in history. And then the next month, they fired me. As in, yun talaga. Literally, tinawag ko ng manager's office and said, you're fired. So
After getting that trophy?
Yeah. After getting the trophy, it was, ano ba ngayon? August, ito, ganitong one. We got their first trophy in company history in July, and then the next month they fired me. And so that gave me really those hard to accept lessons. That number one, you win with people. You win with people. It doesn't matter what your credentials or your performance is. If your people stop playing for you, it really doesn't matter. Number two, the value of change, because Pure Foods was already sending me that signal when they did not renew my contract. But I said, no, my stuff works. Magaling ako. My offense, X's and O's, my technical ability, my skills, my analytical skills are fantastic. And I said I was going to prove Pure Foods wrong. I was the one who was proven wrong. So the second part is the value of agility. How the need to change when your inability to change will really get you into trouble. So that is the second part. But then the third part also was the resilience, because you'll never really experience resilience unless you've been through that those gut wrenching moments in your life where, I mean, that was really the lowest point of my career. Diba? Na literally, kasi when you're a coach, ang maganda yung sweldo mo one day, the next day, wala na. And it's not like in companies where you have severance packages, you have all those things. Sa basketball coaching, we're contractual, di ba? So that's it. And then the fourth thing is the value of having a support system around you, because really, that's where I realized the value of having, my family around me, everyone rallying around me, and all that. So and that's how I came up with my 5 Gs of resilience, because throughout my experiences.
Okay. So, Coach, kasama din yung 5 Gs dito, no? When they, let's say, avail of this complete workshop, they will have to go through that. No?
Yeah, we a lot. In fact, yung 5 Gs, I just share it when I give my 30 or 40-minute virtual talks. I already talk about how, like I say, it's how to say, diba? I don't talk about the values, but I say, okay, how do we recover? How to hindi na bounce back, diba? How to bounce forward, sabi ni Errol Sandberg as an option.
Correct. And what I like about you said is those failures or those times in your career when you were really disrupted, no, came even after achievements or results, no? Hindi na talaga guarantee that if you're performing, nothing bad will happen. That's where agility really comes in.
Yeah.
This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.